learn with Ruhi. We're learning English is always fun and friendly. Today we are going to learn some polite words and phrases. These words help us sound kind, respectful, friendly and confident speakers. We will do it together. So, make sure you listen, repeat and learn with me. Our first word is sorry. Sorry. Say sorry when you make a mistake or hurt someone. Listen, repeat and learn with me. Sorry, I hit you by mistake. Please. Use it when making a kind and polite request. Say it with me. Please give me a glass of water. Kindly. A more formal version of please. Say it with me. Kindly sign this form. Excuse me. Use it to get someone's attention or when interrupting. Say it with me. Excuse me, what is the time? Allow me. Used to offer help. Your turn now. Allow me to open the door for you. Pardon. Similar to excuse me, especially if you didn't hear something. Say it with me. Pardon, can you repeat that? Thanks. A short and a sweet way to show gratitude. Your turn now. Thanks for helping me. Thank you very much. A more polite way to show big thanks. Your turn now. Thank you very much for the lovely gift. You're welcome. Say this when someone thanks you. Your turn now. You're welcome. My pleasure or it's my pleasure. Use this right after someone thanks you, especially when you want to sound kind and polite. Your turn now. It's my pleasure to help you. After you, when you let someone go before you. Let's say it together. After you, please. No mention. A very polite way to say you're welcome. Let's say it together. No mention. I was happy to help. It's alright or it's fine. Use this to comfort someone. Let's say it together. It's alright. Mistakes happen. May I? Use this to ask permission politely. Let's say it together. May I enter the class? Yes, please. Would you like some juice? Let's say it together. Yes, please. Time, please. You are asking a stranger for the time on the street. Repeat after me. Excuse me. Time, please. Give me your pen. Use when you need to politely ask someone for the pen to write something. Repeat after me. May I borrow your pen, please? With great pleasure. Use when accepting an invitation or offer happily and warmly. Try this one. I will join the event with great pleasure. Apology. Use when you need to say sorry for a mistake or wrongdoing. Try this one. I owe you an apology for being late. Will you please let me sit? Use when you need to request a seat politely, like in a crowded place. Try this one. Excuse me, will you please let me sit? Will you please speak slowly? Use when you are having trouble understanding someone and need them to talk slower. Try this one. Will you please speak slowly? I am learning. Will you please move a bit? Use when you need a little space and want someone to shift slightly. Let's repeat it. Will you please move a bit to the side? Let me also help you. Use when offering your help to someone already doing a task. Let's repeat it. Let me also help you to carry those books. Certainly. Use when you want to agree politely and confidently to do something. Repeat after me. Certainly. I will help you. Give me water. Use when you want to politely ask for a glass of water. Repeat after me. May I have a glass of water? Please? Yes, I will drink. Use when someone offers you a drink and you happily accept. Repeat after me. Yes, please, I would love to. Can you try making a polite sentence using the word please or sorry? Comment your sentence below. Wasn't that fun and easy? So, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I will see you soon in the next joyful learning video. Until then, keep smiling, keep learning and stay polite. Bye bye.